but these are active links. Now let me say I'll click, I hovered on it, nothing happened. So it's just again normal link, but I want to style that too. So I'll go here and say yay colon and hover. So this time what I want is like I want reversal. So I want the background to be white or green. Let's take green 00RGB and the color be black. I don't know how black looks on green. And I want one more thing. I want how do we do? Shall we use text transform? Yeah, we'll use text transform. Text transform. I want everything to be capitalized on hover. Let's see how does it look like. So uppercase. So I go here, I refresh. Now you see here the links are plain. A link is background black, and the font color is foreground color is white. Now I go here and hover. You see that that's turned into green, and when I come out of it, it's again a link. Again I go here, it has changed it, and here it has changed it. So that's how hover styling can be applied on links. Yeah. Any questions? Anything which you are not following? Like how would I done nothing. Again a link, some background and foreground color, and for hover I've given a different color. So that's what I have done there. I haven't done anything great over there. Just simple styling. Yeah. So that's okay, fine, fantastic. Now what I do is like I'll just click on it. It has taken me to this text format.html, right? So I go back here. Now you see here the visited link. It's a default property of the browser to display it in this particular color. Maybe this color is purple, or I'm pretty bad at naming the colors. I can only identify few major colors. Okay, forgive me if I'm saying it wrong. But see, this is the default behavior of the browser. But I don't want that. I don't want the default browser's behavior. What I really want is like if somebody clicks on a link and if he visits it, I want it to be displayed as the color, at least the color to be yellow. Let's say. So I say yay visited. Oops. This time the visited links color be yellow. So yellow is red and green combination. So FF00. Now you see here this link has been visited before. That's the reason it's yellow now. And I come here hover. Again hover is different. You see, but hover, what happened is like it has changed the color to be yellow because it's again visited. You got it? Yeah. So now let's talk about active. Oops. So this is another file which is again inside. This is the tables class which we have discussed. So that's again I'm going back here. I click on Tutoslive again. This we have discussed. This is our first project. I say we have discussed. Again you see the list here. This is the list. Those are the links. So we can even apply the styles to these guys too. If you have these files with you, just go ahead and start applying styles. Whatever the crazy styles you like. Whatever the crazy style you like. Yes, text transform is set to uppercase here. So this is uppercase, uppercase, uppercase. So yeah, I'll show the program here. See, on hover, turn the background to green, turn the color of the font to white, and text transform to uppercase. Let's give yellow there. I don't consider yellow. Giving yellow is a good idea. Let's give red. Yeah, that was the answer to Sandeep. Yeah, great. Great to see you guys help each other. So every link is visited. That's the reason this guy gives that hello. Now you see I've changed it to red, the background on hover. Okay, that's more about the styling of the links. So styling links is all about state. You can do whatever the styling you want. See on hover, I want to change the font size. On the or certain visited links, let's change the font size. Let the font size be small for visited links. So 10 pixel only. Let's see. Oops, did not apply it. Font size. It is doing crazy here. Oops. Or let's take this and see how it does. I refresh here. Well, maybe the indentation. Let me just see that or the font size is not getting applied and the pseudo things. Background's okay, text is okay, the font maybe font font size. Let's say font family. Maybe if this gets applied, then this must say, let's say impact and sans serif. Oops, there's a font name getting applied. Maybe we gotta check that. So that is about the styling of the links. Okay, and let's talk about the styling of the lists. Let me just grab some water. I'm pretty much tired. So yeah, you guys here following me? Yeah, Arun. You have to click on the link. Visited. You have to click on the link. It just says okay, this particular link is visited. Maybe it's taking the history from the browser. Like if I remove my browser's history, maybe it may not consider it. Like let me take this to Firefox and see. See, the links are visited, but still because it depends on the browser's history. Browser history will keep a track of your history, what are the links you are visited, and based on that, this guy is playing actually. So now this is visited in Firefox. Oh, let me refresh. Oh, I have removed the browser history on Firefox. It won't remember any history. But whereas in Chrome, yeah, I have set it to on, so that's the reason it's getting it there. Okay? Let's answer your questions. So first, Arun, if it's visited, don't you have to click on the link? I have to click on the link to visit it. It's just for styling. I told you these pseudo classes are only for styling. So you have to again click on the link to visit that link. And you did not change it in hover, you did not visit it, so you must visit it right. Exactly, if I visit it, if the browser history is on, then the browser knows, okay, this guy has visited this. The change is not visible in Firefox, right? Firefox, I have turned my history off. I won't put history on my, yeah, yeah. But here, let me just go ahead and remove the browser history. So guys, but I don't think I can show you my history. Yeah, no problem. So I cannot erase the history over in Chrome because I have so much data in Chrome. So yeah, whatever. So that's what it depends on the browser history. That's how I can style these links. And most important things here are EA not visited and EA hover. That's all important in these links. And for visited and active, you're not supposed to consider any styling for that. it's they don't even appeal that much, because if I turn my browser history, even if I style it, it's of no use. But for hover and a link, yeah, they're pretty much useful. But let's do a small experiment here. Okay, on hover it's red on white, right? But when it is linked, let's say white on red. So let's take this to be white itself, and this to be red. So you see, this kind of people use this, like they interchange the background and color to make them very attractive. So let's take black. And here let's take the black. So I'll refresh this. Yeah, you see here. So these are the kind of styling I can achieve using hovers and link styling. Do something for the visitor too. I've done it. These are the visitor links. You try it in your browser. I'll send the files across. So yeah, let's do this. Okay, visitor, right? The visitor links. Or I'll put new links here. Instead of text format.html, let's say entities.html. Okay, entities.html, and saved it. Let me come back to the Chrome here and see, this guy is not visited. Text format. It says the name as text format, but internally the link is different one. It is entities.html. So that's not visited. But these two guys are visited before. Now I click on this. I come back and it's visited again. You see here? So that is about links. I guess we don't have much time for styling the list. So first thing tomorrow we'll be styling the list. So that is about today's class, styling the list, links, and we are discussing text formatting. And tomorrow we'll be discussing the most important part, which is a box model. Remember, tomorrow is very important class, and that's what decides the whole web design layouts. So you guys keep an eye on that class. And what else we got here? Yeah, Chinmay, Sandeep and Chinmay, I'll talk to you guys on Facebook maybe for about 15 or 10 minutes. And Arun, that is about. And Andrew, any questions? Because I guess we are done for today. Let's go. Go. Yeah. Nope. Arun, just keep practicing. See, take the previous files, whatever we have. So go there and just start applying random styles. Visited is not clear to me. Okay, fine. I'll tell you. So now this is the file, right? Text format, tables, and Tutoslive are the files. Now what I do is, like, let me change these entities again. Let's change it to sagar.html. And I'll change this also. Let's make some meaningful thing. So I'll say tutor. I come back here and I'll say yes. Now you see here, this styling is for non-visited links, right? That is, yeah, I'll tell you how it is reflected. I mean, you mean reflected is like used? So it's nothing but like the browser history. I told you the browser keeps your history. Then the browser knows, like, okay, this guy has been visited this link, and it comes back to our file and says, okay, this link is visited, and apply the visited styling, whatever the visited styling I gave here. If I remove this visited styling, let's say if I remove the visited styling there, and I come back here and I see, so it applies the default styling. What's the default styling for the visited links? The text font. The font color is purple. But I can apply that too. Like, why should I show the default things when I can do that actually? So I come back and apply the styles, and non-visited links, fresh links are styled using a link, and hovers are styled using a hover, and visited links are styled using a visited. That's the only difference. That's it. You don't have to do that. You don't have to use visited. That's it. I'm saying you guys, like, visited, you won't be using much, but hover and not visited, yeah, you'll be using a lot of them. And for visited, I said, like, it's all depends upon the browser's history. I'll check on that. Maybe it should apply, because if I go here to the A link and I say font size, let's say 10 pixel, this must be applied. I know, but I'll check that. Why is it not taking that? See, this is just saying it can't take it. So I'll just check on that particular tab and see. Maybe let's see. Let's change few things in here. 10 pixel. It should work. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, it worked on the link, but maybe on the pseudo selectors, I don't think the font size may apply. But yeah, previously it was a syntax error on the font size. I did not give the semicolon. You won't know if the site is visited. Go to your history. If the browser history is not saved, then you can never know how you're visited. But you can do that using PHP. I'll tell you, you can do miracles, you can do magic using PHP. Like, whatever the things, yeah, it's seriously, I feel like PHP is more awesome. Exactly, Chinmay. Awesome. So, guys, that's all about today's class. Tomorrow, list styling and the box model. Box model is very, very important. Come to tomorrow class, and we'll be doing that. Okay? Yeah. See ya. See ya tomorrow. Bye bye. And please do share the link which appears as soon as the class is done. See, Arundhati, I'm sorry, Arun does that a lot of times. Yeah. What do you call it? What do you call it? I don't know what do you call that. I'll come to that tomorrow. And the question mark which you got. Alright, chalo. Take care, guys.